We are going to use an extension to open a closed tab in an incognito window. It's called Off the Record History. You can download and install it from the Chrome Web Store. Remember, this works to reopen the tab only when the private browsing session window is open. Once the window itself is closed, there is no way to obtain the sites unless we use some PowerShell script with DNS settings, which involves writing some code, and it's not for everyone. So after you install the extension, right click and click on Manage Extensions. Then click on Allow in Incognito. That's it. Now let's test it. I'm going to open an incognito window. Open few windows here. Alright. Close them all, but just keep one open. Because if we close the complete window, there is no way to get them all. You can see that all the closed tabs are listed here in the recently closed tab. There is also a full history available. The difference between the two is that the full history gets updated as soon as we visit a website, and the recently closed tab gets updated only when we start closing the tabs. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you know of any other way that does the job better, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.